add the same. Then after this, I take my stick, I start stirring. You start in one direction.
Gushaka dushyire ku cyuma tuze gushaka
Igende fresh.
cyari cyangwa
Kandi ibirayi bitari kabeza. Stage after adding the other water, you stir until all the mixture is completely reacted. You react the other ungarol, sodium hydroxide, the other acid, and the salt plus water. They have to react completely because that is where there is the neutralization of the sulfonic acid by the other CMC and the other sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, so that they cannot harm your body. So there is a reaction of neutralization here between the acid and the base. So something to note is that when you are just starting, you have to move in one direction, and you have to make sure that the reaction is complete. You have to mix it completely. Then another thing is that you should use these gloves because these things are caustic. They can harm your body, so you have to put on these gloves to protect your body. Then I'm going to add, this is the color. You add the color, the quantity you want. As you can see, it is changing. You put, this is the color, then you mix. He's on fire. After the color is mixed, you can add in this perfume. You put the perfume up to the level you want. This is a perfume, though it is put in the other bottle, but it is a perfume, so you add a little quantity of the perfume to let it smell the way you want it. So this is the soap. It has a cleansing action. You can now use it. It's ready. You can use it more. Bye bye.